Hello friends, in this video I want to show you two best programs for cache cleaning on the Windows. It is my own program PC No Problems that I developed myself and well-known Yscare 365. Let's test them and look which is better and what program finds more cache and can clean your disk better. I start Checkup on each program and they scan my computer to find maximum cache and maximum we can delete on the disk C. And here it is, Yscare 365 found 6 GB to delete, and PC No Problems, really, 18 GB. Let's check details. Privacy traces skipped because you can clear it only with a Pro version. Security projects Windows Automatic Update is disabled. Oh, I disabled it with my program PC No Problems, and it is for reason. Useless files 6 GB. It is the first step to delete useless files on your computer to have more space on disk C. And there are system log files, thumbnail cache, font cache, temp files created by Windows by applications, and there are 6 GB of cache. Let's compare with PC No Problems. Here we can also deep cleaning on the disks for professional version, and the Windows temporary files 2.7 GB. Here we can find also Windows temporary files, apps temporary files, Windows logs, Explorer sketches and icons cache, the same thumbnails and other folders that we can delete. And we have also browser cache here, 3 GB, and apps cache here, 11 GB, almost 12 GB of cache. Let's look more detailed. Here is folder cache. I think it is a folder for all cache on disk C at users application data local. We have also many cache at NVIDIA folder, at Telegram desktop media cache, and Zoom. Yscare 365 didn't find this cache. Next, registry entries. It is a cache data storing in the registry, 1100 entries, and here in PC No Problems there are also Windows registry cache, 400 entries. And also there are privacy in browsing history, 1000 histories, and here we also can find computer tracing and browser history, yes, also approximately 1000 histories, a little more. But here in a PC No Problems we also can clear WinSXS Windows Update Files folder. If you don't want to return to previous update or previous build of your Windows, you can clean this folder with a cmd command that this program will use. On some computers it could be 10 and more gigabytes. Here we see OK because I cleared this folder and I don't use Windows Update, I disable it. With these services, Windows Update Center, you can see disabled. Let's make one more scan with deep cleaning of the disk. Refresh. And here the program finds 200 megabytes more. It is log and traces on C drive and dump logs on the C drive. So now we can free up almost 19 gigabytes on drive C, and Yscare 365 can delete only 6 gigabytes. I think PC No Problems better and finds more, because when I made this program I used the best features from different programs like Yscare that can clean cache on your Windows. Also you can find big files in the free version in system folders or on another drive folder, and you can find duplicates in a free version of this program. Many features available for free, but more features you can get if you buy activation key. For example, you can activate PC No Problems 24/7 mode. It is working. This feature allows you to check cache automatically, and you can set up the frequency of checking, the minimum cache size for notification, and program will check your cache and notify you when it needed to be cleaned. There are many other useful features here, many of them free. Try this program and read more on the official website. In other video we can compare other features of these programs, System Optimizer and Services Management, to optimize and speed up your PC. And in the end of this video, let's clean all cache that program finds. Click Clean Checkup. And as a result, more than 18 GB was deleted on my disk. Subscribe to our channel and watch other videos. See you on the air!